Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Kanya Art and Craft. This is Tebu Shriya. I hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I have tried to come up with DIY Diwali decor idea using cardboard. I hope these ideas will inspire you to create something unique for this upcoming festival. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. First, I'm taking a piece of cardboard, drawing two circles using compass, and then drawing some pattern around the circle and cutting it according to the design. I have mixed wall putty with some water. Now applying the paste on the cardboard to make the base strong. Let it dry for some time. Here I have taken air dry clay to create some 3D design on the board. Applying glue. Now placing these clay strips following the outline. Using clay to write Shubh Labh. Applying vermilion hue and green on the border design. Applying pearl metallic gold color. Applying some fabric glue and placing few mirrors to enhance the design. Now placing some small pearl beads, drawing a sketch of Om and cutting it. Now drawing swastik symbol and cutting it. Taking a small amount of clay, here I am using wall putty clay. Applying some Fabicol, then I'll place the clay strip following the design. I'll follow the same process for Om as well. We'll place the clay strip following the design. And then let it dry for 1 hour. Applying vermilion hue. Now using 3D outliner to draw an outline. This is how they look. Now I'll attach some dangler to enhance the look. So here I'm attaching one bell and pom-pom and few pearl balls. I'm also attaching few mirrors, sticking a piece of paper on the backside of the mirror using fabric glue. If you want, you can place mirror on both the sides. Sticking the thread using glue and placing a piece of paper to secure that. Sticking cotton thread on the backside of swastik and Om to make an arrangement for hanging. As you can see, after drying, it is strong enough to hold the design. Now again, following the same process, we are attaching the Om with the cardboard, placing a piece of paper to secure it. And this is how the final product looks. Mixing wall putty with water and applying the paste on the board. Taking a piece of paper, fold it in half, then draw a pattern of temple. Cutting it. Now place the pattern on the board and draw an outline, rolling the clay to make clay strip and then place it following the design. Here I am using the same clay strip to write Shubh Deepavali. Applying crimson color. Taking some more air dry clay and rolling it to make a thin strip. And placing the clay strip to create some more design. Applying different color on the blocks. Applying pearl metallic gold. Applying green color on the leaves. Applying glue on the center of the block and placing some mirror. Placing some more teardrop shaped mirror to make a flower. Applying 3D outliner. Drawing this diagonal line using 3D outliner. Placing some more mirrors. Drawing a flower pattern using 3D outliner. Placing some mirrors on the center of the flower. Now I'm attaching some bells and pom-pom on the bottom part of the boat. And also attaching a mirror following the same process. And our second DIY project is ready, and this is how it looks. Wishing you all a very happy Deepavali. Till then, stay safe and keep creating. Thank you. Bye-bye.